Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by cleaning and locking the frame. Make sure each column has the correct data type. Once done, remove empty rows and freeze the header row so navigation stays steady. Next, pick a clear theme and set a consistent 1012 PT font. This gives your sheet immediate visual order. Then apply basic cell padding and alignment, left for text, right for numbers, so values sit predictably. These first steps reduce visual noise and prepare the sheet for targeted styling. Now you build hierarchy. Add alternating row colors and tighten cell padding to 812px. That instantly improves scanning. Then standardize number formats, currency, percentages, dates, so columns align numerically. This helps you and others interpret values quickly. After that, add conditional formatting rules to highlight highs, lows, duplicates, or custom thresholds. Make the rules subtle using one accent color. Finally, group related columns and hide helper columns to keep the interface. Finish by adding interactivity and protection. Create named ranges and data validation with dropdowns so inputs remain consistent, and insert sparklines or compact charts for quick trends. Protect critical ranges while allowing edits where needed. This preserves layout and formulas. Once everything looks polished, export a PDF or publish a view-only link. If something breaks, first check merged cells, wrapped text, and column widths. Those simple fixes resolve most layout issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.